Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will be solving another lead code problem number 197, rising temperature. So here the table we have is weather. The fields present in this table is ID, record date and temperature. So ID is the primary key and there are no different rows with the same record date, okay? And this table contains information about the temperature on a certain day. Alright. So problem statement is we need to write a solution to find all dates, basically the ID with higher temperature compared to its previous day, okay, yesterday. We can result the output in any order. Let's quickly look at the example. So here we have ID 124, this is the record date and this is the temperature we have. We need to return the ID. Okay, so as per the conditions higher, let's say we have this 1 2 3 4, so 2 to 1, which one is the higher? So 25 is the higher, so that's why it is returning 2. And 3 and 4, which one is the higher? 2 only. So 4 and 3 we have 30 and 20. So here we have 30 as the higher. That's why we have 30 like ID for in the output. In explanation, the temperature was higher than the previous day 10, right? And then the other one temperature was higher than the previous day, okay, 30. So that's why we have this. All right, let me quickly start writing the solution for this problem. So here again we can write the self join. So let me first select let me call it as w1 dot id, since we need only one in our output field, from weather table name as w1 comma weather as w2. So here like we are writing like we are selecting w1 from this table, okay, and we are calling like we have aliases the same table as twice to satisfy these conditions. Like we will be writing certain conditions so that our solution will satisfy the conditions provided in the question. Now where here if you see they have asked like we need to write a solution with or find all the dates ID with a higher temperature compared to its previous day. So we need to compare today and yesterday, okay. So for this one they have given the like date. So for this one what we can do is we can write use our date different SQL function. What date different SQL function is? Okay, so this is the date syntax for date difference is this one. Like first we can write date part, start date and end date, and this will the output of this will be the integer number, simple integer number, and this is date part, like we can have year, quarter, month, and this should be in the colon, like inverted colons followed by quotes. So this is the syntax we have. So in a similar way what we will be writing is where date div. Now we are writing on a record date. So w1 dot record date comma w2 dot record date. Okay, so here w1 dot it should be like the difference should be one only, right? If we are considering yesterday date and today's date, so difference between these two should be one. If it is more, we don't want to compare if it is more than one, like let's say 2 3 or 4. We're just comparing yesterday with today. So that's why we can write here this date difference should be equal to 1. And other condition that we need to write is that the temperature, like ID with higher temperature compared to its previous day. So what we can do for this one is w1 dot we have the temperature dot temperature should be greater than W2 temperature. Okay, I think this should give us the required output. Yeah, so here we are just selecting the w1.id since we need only the id in the output, and from weather is w1, call w1 from this table, but we need this other w2 from, like, we are kind of writing from the same table since we need to satisfy these other conditions. So this is state difference w1 dot, like, the difference between date should be equal to 1 since we are comparing yesterday with today, and then the w, like, the temperature of yesterday should be greater than what we have today. So let me run the query. Yep, so you see here our solution is accepted, and let me now submit this one. Yeah, it is accepted. So you see, like, there are different ways we can approach this problem. I have done using the state difference since we are comparing yesterday with today, let's say. So that's why I have used state difference, and the other condition that they have given is higher temperature compared to its previous day. So since we are selecting from W1, so that's why I have given my conditions like this. You can also change, and you can also, like, use other conditions available to satisfy and to get the required result in our output. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.